Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about mean, median and mode. These are the special math tools that help us understand data. We use them when we want to compare test scores, sports scores or survey results. So what is mean, median and mode? Mean is the average or fair share. Median is the middle number, and the mode, the number that appears most. So let's start with the easiest one, that is mode. Mode is the number that appears most often. For example, let's take 3, 5, 5, 7, 9. This is the data of something. You can say the sports, the number of girls or boys, whatever it is, this is a data. And they said find out the mode of this data. So how we will find out the mode of this one? The mode is the number that appears most often. So here 5, 5, 5 appears 2 times. So the mode will be 5. Okay. So what is mode? Mode is simply the number that appears most often. A data set can have one mode, more than one mode or no mode. Okay. It can have one mode, two mode or no mode. It's not necessary that the data should have a mode. So it can have one mode or the two mode and no mode. So how we can find out the mode? The numbers that appears most often, that is the mode. In this case 5 appears 2 times, so the mode is 5. I hope you understand what is mode, how we can find out the mode from the data. The number that appears most often, that is the mode. And in the data, the mode, there can be one mode, two mode, or you can say one mode and more than one mode, two or more. So it can be one mode, two or more modes and no mode also. Now let's see what is median. Median means the middle number. Okay. So how we can find out the median? From the data we have to see which is the middle number, but there is an important rule for finding out the median. What's that rule? The rule says we have to arrange the numbers in order first. Okay. It says when we find the median, we have to first arrange the numbers in order. For example, if it is 7, 2, 5, 9, 3, and it says find out the median of this data. So what we have to do first? We have to first arrange these numbers in a order. Order means from smallest to the biggest number. So 2 will come first, then 3 will come, then 5, then 7, then 9. After arranging the numbers, then we have to find out the middle number, and that middle number will be the median. So here, what is the middle number? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2. What left? 5. So this is the middle number. Here is the one pair of number, is the another pair of number, and this is left in the middle. So the median will be 5. Understand? How can we can find out the median? The middle number will be the median. And there is another case as well. For example, let's see 4, 6, 8, 10. When the even number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is a 4, that is the even number. So how we can find out the median if the numbers are even? Here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an odd number. So we got one pair, two. Where the middle number, we can easily find out that the middle number is the 5. But here 5 and 6 will come in one pair, 8 and 2 will come in another pair. There is no middle number here. So how we can find out in this case? So what we have to do first? We have to add the two middle number. Here 6 and 8 are the two middle number we are getting. So what we have to do? First we have to add both of the middle number. So it will become 14. Okay. What we did? We just add both of the middle number and then the sum of the middle number we have to divide with 2. And we get the answer 7. This is the median. So here, what is the median? Median is 7. Understand? Both the situation here, we easily find out the middle number and that is the median. Here, it was difficult for us to find out which will be the middle numbers. So what we did, we just we just took both of the middle number and then we added, and that the sum of the middle number we just divided with 2 and then we get our median. I hope the median is also clear. How we can find out the median? What we have to do? First, we have to arrange the numbers in order. Then we have to look for the middle number. And if it's difficult for us to find the middle number, what we have to do? If there is no single middle number, then we have to add the 2 of the middle number and then the sum we have to divide it with 2. Always be careful that we don't have to add all of this number. We have to just add the 2 middle number. Okay? And then we have to divide it with 2. Now let's see what is mean. So what we call mean is also called the average. Or you can say it tells us how the share is equally divided into all. Means that it's the fair share. See? Fair share. Okay. So how we can find the mean from the data? There are two rules to find the mean. First is we have to add all the numbers. Then it says we have to divide by how many numbers are there. So how we can find the mean? First we have to add all of the given numbers. Then we have to divide the sum by how many numbers are there in total. Let's say 5, 10, 15 and 20 and says find the mean of these numbers. So how we can find the mean? First what we have to do? We have to add all of these numbers. So we have to add 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. It will become 50. Okay. Then after adding, what we have to do? Then we have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means in the second step, we have to divide 50. 50 will be divided with the total numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 4. The numbers are 4 in total. It means we have to divide 50 with 4. And our answer will be 12.5. This is the mean. So what we did here? First we add all of the numbers. Then we have to see how many numbers are there. And then the sum we have to divide with the total. And first what we did? We add all of the numbers. And then we have to count how many numbers are there. Then we have to divide the sum with the numbers there. Here it was 4. So we divide 50 with 4 and we get our answer 12.5. So the mean can be a decimal, and that is perfectly okay. Okay, it should not be like that. It must be in a whole number. The mean can be in the decimal as well. Okay, you understand how we can find the mean as well? First we have to add all the numbers, then we have to divide by how many numbers are there. I hope this is clear. What is mode, median, and mean? What was mode? Mode was the number that appears often, and the median is the middle number, and the mean is the average and the fair share. And now you understand how we can find out also how we can find the mean, how we can find the median, and how we can find the mode. Now we will see the comparing between mean, median, and mode. Let's find all of three for the same data set. From the same data set, we will find the mean as well, median as well, and the mode as well. The data is 2, 4, 4, 6, 10. And we have to find the mean, median, and mode. First, we have to see the mode. That is the easiest one. What is mode? Mode, that is more often appears. Here, 2 1 times, 4 2 times, 6 1 times, 10 1 time. So what will be the mode here? 4. Why? Because it appears most of the time. Then we will see the median. What will be the median? Median is the middle number. Here, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is 2. What number is left in the middle? 4. So the median will be 4. The middle number. Okay, and this is the most appears. Then we have to find the mean. For finding the mean, what we have to do? We have to add all of this. 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. What will be the sum of this one? It will be 26. Then what we have to do? We have to divide. With what we have to divide? We have to divide 26 by counting how many numbers are there in the given data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 26 will be divided by 5. And when we will divide, our answer will be 5.2. This is the mean. See how easily we can find the mean, median, and mode. Mode, the most appears, median, the middle number, and the mean is the fair share. We have to add all of this, then we have to divide with the total numbers given in the data. Let's take another data. There's 6, 8, 10, 10, 12. What we have to find the mean, median, and mode. We start with the mode. Why we always start with the mode? Because mode is the easiest one. We have to just see which number appears most of the time. Here 6 1 time, 8 1 time, 10. 10 appears 2 times. It means the mode will be 10. Then we have to go to the median. Median will be the middle number. Here what is the middle number? What left in the middle? It is 10. So median is the 10. Then we have to find the mode. How we can find the, sorry, not mode. Mode we already did. We have to find the mean. How we can find the mean? We have to add all of the given numbers. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 12. The sum of this will be 46. What we have to do after finding the sum of the number, what we have to do? Then we have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to divide 46.5, and our answer will be 9.2. This is the mean. See, you understand how we can find the mode, median, and mean. Let's take the last question before we finish. The given data is 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. And we have to find the mode, median, and mean. First, find the mode. Mode is the number that appears most of the time. Here, 2 appears one time, 3 appears one time, 5 also appears one time, 7 appears one time, 9 appears one time, 11 also appears one time. It means there is no mode. As we already said, that mode can be one or more than one, or there should not be any mode. Here in this data, there is no mode. Okay? Because there is no single number that appears most of the times. That's why there is no mode. Now we will find the median. Median is the middle number. Here, what is the middle number? 2, 9. Then we got two middle number. That is 5 and 7. So how we can find out in this case? What we have to do? We have to add both of the middle number. Become 12. Now we have to divide the sum of the middle number by 2. And this is the median. We get our median. Okay. When there is no single middle number, then we have to take the 2 of the middle number, and then we have to add it, and the sum of that 2 middle number we have to divide it with 2, and then we will get our median. Now we have to find the mean. For finding the mean, what we have to do? We have to add all of the given numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. The sum will be 37. Now, after adding all of the given number, then we have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means the sum we have to divide with 6. Our answer 6.1. This is the mean. So here in this case, there is no mode, and the median, there are two middle numbers. So we add all of both the middle number, then we divide with 2, then we get our median. And the mean, as usual, we have to add all the number, then we have to count how many numbers are there, and then divide with that number, and then we will get our mean. I hope mean, median, mode is clear to everyone. What is mean? The average or the fair share, and the median is the middle number, and mode the number that appears most. So how we can find the mode? From the given data, we have to see which number appears most often, and the median, the middle number. And there is two middle number, we have to add both of them, and then we have to divide with 2. And the mean, we have to add all of the given number, and then we have to count how many numbers are there, and with that number we have to divide the sum. Then we will get our mean, median, and mode. I hope it's clear. There is no doubt. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment. And if you want to learn about any specific maths topic, please tell me that one as well. And if you have not watched my previous video, go check all the topics about fractions, decimals. See you in the next video with another maths topic. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.